Sunday, so we are going to take this thing for a drive. Haven't done anything to it. I mean, I did wash the windshield this morning. Everything's good. We need to get some gas in it, and we'll probably go over what kind of gas mileage we're getting when we get back. And that'll be in a little while. So, let's go for a ride. We got back, put some gas in it. We put 12.6 gallons in it, and we went 196.8 miles, so that works out to 15.6 miles per gallon. So I'm going to attribute that to the winter blend gas, since it is winter time. Well, it's springtime now, but it was probably 2 months ago when we put gas in it originally, so that's the gas we used. So that was back in January sometime. So yeah, so when it was still warm out before they switched, we got 16.5 and 16.9 miles per gallon. So we're getting about, you know, over a mile per gallon less. So it's all filled up now. Did have a little issue with the the trip meter zero, it wouldn't zero again. So I'm thinking we got problems with that little solenoid that pops out to zero it. But hey, that's life with a 30-year-old car, and that's nothing to do with, you know, converting it to a V8 or anything. It's just one of those things that goes bad when your car is 30 years old. So we'll fix that at some point. It's not pressing. Managed to destroy the front of it about 2 months ago. So it's all back. It's all, well, not all nice and shiny. It still has scratches and stuff on the stuff that didn't get fixed. But I did have them redo the roof and take the lighting off the top. It looks pretty good now. And that'll be about that for this week. Well, this week's Sunday drive. Did go out and put some miles on it. It's it's still really a lot of fun.